All right, guys, how to plasti dip your car in 60 seconds. Get the plasti dip, get the blue tape, tape off the area that you want the plasti dip. Leave a little bit overage, as you can see, like I've done. Okay, you want to make sure you shake your can well and spray on your first coat. Make sure you go over it, and you want to give enough tape so that you can spray. You leave extra surface because you'll be able to peel it off when it dries later. First coat of black paint. There you go. Okay, guys, so when you're done, it should look like this, all nice and blacked out. And once I peel off all the excess blue, it should leave like a nice little seam around it, and then you can peel away once it dries. Don't rush the process. Give it time to dry, or it'll bleed like this right here. So you want to put on nice thick layers, but you don't want to overdo it. There you have it.